Now that I've established the kind of community that I want to build, the question is, how can I make it a positive experience for my members? Because at the end of the day, members are the ones that are giving you money, giving you their time, and so on and so forth. The first thing is, you must make the experience uniform for all members. You have to make it as less manual as possible. What do I mean by that? So many communities today start with a Google form. You apply in a Google form, then it moves into a PayPal link for payments. You apply on PayPal, then you are added to a WhatsApp group for communication, then you're added to an email list, then we put you on Discord, then we give you this teachable link in order to upload your courses and consume content. That is a broken experience for the community member. And so you want to unify that whole experience, and that's how we designed Nas.io to be unified. The Google form is on Nas.io. The website can be as a Nas.io landing page. The payments happens on Nas.io. The WhatsApp group is redirected from Nas.io. The content hosting happens on Nas.io. The events happen on Nas.io. So for your members, it's one unified experience, and also you get a mobile app to bring it all together. So that's number one, think about the unification of the experience. Number two, think about adding value early on. The best communities are the ones that have the value from the landing page, and also the ones that have a lot of free lead magnets, where you provide value at the beginning in terms of a free ebook, in terms of a free class, a free session, a free physical event, a free conference, a free video, whatever it is. And then that gets more and more people to understand what your community is about and join it afterwards. So, number one, unify the experience for your community members. Number two, give value at the beginning. That's really important. And number three, charge for it. Free communities don't have a long shelf life, because what you get for free, you also give up for free. What you get really fast, you also give up really fast. And that's why the most successful communities are the ones that have a paywall around it. $3 a month, $5 a month, $10 a month, or even $100 a month. Those are the most successful communities that we see on Nas.io, and those are the ones with the highest engagement, because the members are putting some money on the line in order to participate in your community. Otherwise, you are no different than another YouTube channel that I can subscribe to, unsubscribe to whenever I want. So, now that you've decided to charge for your community, you must make sure there is enough value inside your community to warrant somebody paying for it. And you must also give options, monthly options or annual options, because you don't want the member to make the choice every single month. They should make the choice to be in your community once a year. So you want members to come with you a year at a time, and that's why Nas.io supports annual membership as well. Unification of the experience for members, giving enough value upfront for free, and then charging for what's inside the community. These are really good strategies to get started with your community. And last but not least, make sure the community talks to each other. It's not just about you. So instead of just sending them an email, create an event and have people show up and meet each other, introduce each other, meet each other offline or online, chat with each other on a WhatsApp group. Make sure people meet so you create many-to-many connections as opposed to one-to-many connections. When you create many connections and you provide value and you charge for the community and you make sure the experience is beautiful, then you will have a very successful member experience.